Always am a fool for your love.
First step is we're going to hold the crochet hook in right hand and make a slip knot on the hook. Next, bring yarn over hook from back to front and grab it with hook. And draw hook yarn to the slip knot and onto hook. This makes one chain stitch. So we're going to make a 40 chain stitch. Skip the first chain stitch. Insert hook into center of next chain stitch. Draw yarn to the chain stitch and up onto the hook. There are now 2 loops on hook. Bring yarn over hook from back to front and draw it to both loops on hook. 1 loop remains on the hook and you have just made 1 single crochet stitch. At the end of the row, make 1 chain stitch, then turn the work counterclockwise, leaving the hook in the chain. Make 1 single crochet stitch in first stitch and in each remaining stitch of the previous row. So be sure to work into the last stitch, chain 1 and turn. So that will be the step. Repeat it until making of 20 rows for the gray yarn. Well, kinulang tayo sa yarn, so i-connect natin siya sa other yarn and continue crocheting. So then next is i-connect natin yung black yarn from both side of the gray yarn. So, ayan, I use another yarn. Ito ay i-compare sa sewing machine thread is medyo magkapareha siya. So, for this is I gonna cut 40 inches long and 12 pieces. Ito ay ang ating tie for the crochet crop top. So now, gagamit na tayo ng darning needle to connect our tie sa ating crochet crop top. So I have here 6 pieces of tie and tigta-tatlo sila, both. So, ayan, natapos na natin connect ang ating tie sa ating crochet crop top. So, the next step is we're going to braid it gaya sa ating hook na minsan is binibraid natin if we are in the mood or if we want to braid our hair for our style. Next, may measure natin ng 1/2 inch both to connect the tie at the back side of our crochet crop top. Going down, we're going to measure it 1 inch. So, for the design, depende sa inyo kung anong style na gusto nyong gawin sa back ng ating crochet crop top. So, ayan, natapos na natin ang ating crochet crop top and this is it. So, the next output is from crochet crop top to bonnet. So, ayan, i-connect natin yung yarn sa ating darning needle. And from the back part of our crochet crop top, ayan, so i-connect natin siya, doing it by hand sewing. Next is doing the running stitch. Yan po is the part sa ating head para hindi siya makita, and then make sure to lock it para hindi ma-open. So this is my output for today and hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and to click the bell button below to be notified for my next video. Thank you for watching and God bless.